Hey people, so now I've begun to religiously follow these different other YouTubers, and there is this uh, Chandigarh based, he's called FitTuber. If you were to want to find out, like, every day, no matter what, I try and learn something new about the eyes. Like, I watch a eye healing video and palmistry video because I'm interested in that field. And so FitTuber, if you were to type it, he gets like 1 million views and all. Yeah. And there's this certain video that he shot in saying the things he learned being in Kakinada. He things he learned in South India. So he's working at Infosys, and he was in Kakinada for a short while, I guess. Or so it was such a sweet, informative little video. I mean, but his videos are long. They're almost like 15 minutes, 20 minutes and all. So yeah, so try and catch it, people. It's called FitTuber, and anything related to health and Ayurveda you'll find on that channel. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.